Brian, in the meantime, you've seen a ton of TikTok users start migrating to other similar apps. Also, I think most, if not all of them, also owned by Chinese companies, if not ByteDance themselves. So what does this decision mean in terms of precedents for other social media apps and other kind of TikTok copycats?
One is very difficult because I didn't even know how to use TikTok. I was trying to figure it out. Now we have to move to a whole other platform. But in terms of the narrowness of this decision, think of it this way. The Supreme Court is saying is if it has two wings and it has feathers and it has a bill, then it's a duck and it cannot apply in this way based on the law. So if other organizations come out and say, you know what, we have two wings, but we don't have feathers and we do have a bill, then the narrowness of this decision may not apply to other entities. And so what you're seeing is that the precedent's going to be narrowly tailored to the way in which ByteDance operated TikTok and the way in which TikTok collected information. If another company, foreign or domestic, decides to just go a little bit different than how the Supreme Court decided, that company may still exist. And I think the precedent is going to be other companies looking at this decision and saying, how can we exist with these rules in place?
So is this going to be congressional whack-a-mole if they try to ban them all? Is it just going to be some new company comes up and Congress has to pass a new law if they want to ban that one too?
Pretty much. It becomes a situation of if a different company comes at this in a way that ByteDance didn't, and they're operating in a way that the court did not imagine or did not contemplate, or that this law that is basically telling ByteDance that they need to divest in a different way, then yes, Congress might have to come up with a new law to adjust that. It's the way technology works. As technology grows, we find new ways to regulate and enforce and ensure that they're safe for all people participating.